Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share how I made this lovely card using the Biggest Wish stamp set and the Country in Designer series paper. This card is quick and easy to do, and with these beautiful colors, it's sure to make somebody smile. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. I'm going to start with my smaller piece of cardstock here, and I'm simply going to take my designer series paper and lay it here along the bottom where I'm going to adhere it later. And so I am using this as a mask. I'm going to pick up my sentiment, ink it up in the Misty Moonlight, and stamp on the right hand side here. Once I have that done, I'm going to bring in my panel from the inside, ink up my birthday, stamp it here in the center, and then bring in this little stamp with 3 little marks on it and just kind of stamp it randomly here around the sentiment for a little pop of color. I've got my stamping done and I'm ready to move on to assembly. For the assembly, I'm going to start with my designer series paper here, and I'm going to add some adhesive onto the back and adhere it to the bottom of my sentiment panel, like so. And then I'm going to flip this over and adhere it onto my balmy blue piece. Once I have that done, I can flip it over, add a couple of pieces of my Stampin' Seal Plus. This adhesive is strong, and so sometimes if you're not careful, it will tear your cardstock. There we go. I have got my adhesive on the 2 edges, and so I'm ready to add my ribbon. I'm going to line this up quickly and easily and use that adhesive to tack it down on the back. Now I can lift this if I need to and move. And of course that adhesive on the back won't go to waste because I'm now going to add it to the front of my card. I'm going to bring in my Night of Navy card front here and adhere it right down in the center of that panel. I should have folded on the score line first for you so that you could see this easier. So let me do that quickly. There we go. At this point, I can bring in my mini glue dots, pick up a couple on this bow that I've already tied, and adhere it right onto my project. Let's see, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to angle it a little bit so that there's a pop of color here coming up over the white. And I've got that like I'd like. And so next I'm going to bring in these beautiful ombre matte decorative dots. Now these come in 4 colors, and we're going to be using the Night of Navy here for this project. I'm going to pick up one of the large dots here, pop it in the corner, and one of the small dots and pop it in the corner like so. And I've got this beautiful card. I'm ready to adhere this to the inside or simply place it inside for later when I want to sign it, and I can adhere it then. It's that quick and easy. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.